CKPower from Thailand, congratulations.
Good evening, very nice to meet you here. It's Tuangpon Bunya Saranan. We are from CKPower Public Company, and we are one of the largest. We are one of the region largest producer of electricity in Thailand. It's winning AREA award. It means a lot to us. I mean, even it's our fourth year here, but we still be excited every time we are here. Since we are a renewable electricity producer, we aim not just powering the cities, but also empowering life. So that's why we are here today, to increase renewable electricity access to cities and as well as the community we are in. So it's the proven success that it's renewable electricity can go hands in hand with community together for the regeneration.